In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website by adding engaging social links, specifically focusing on integrating your Instagram profile. This is a great way to make your site more interactive and encourage visitors to connect with you on social media. Let's dive right in. To start, we'll need to add a new page to your website. This can serve as a hub for all your social links or be a dedicated space for your Instagram presence. Navigate to your website's dashboard and find the section where you can manage pages. Depending on your platform, this might be labeled as Pages, Site Structure, or something similar. Select the option to Add New Page. Now, think about how you want this page to fit into your current site layout. Consider naming it something inviting like Connect with Us or Follow Our Journey to not just accurately describe its content, but also catch the visitor's interest. Once you've settled on a suitable name, go ahead and save your changes. Next, it's time to add buttons or social links to this new page. These links should be easy to find and visually appealing. Look for a Design or Elements tab in your page editor. Here, you typically have the option to add a variety of components like text boxes, images, and importantly, social media buttons. Drag and drop your desired button style to your new page. Customize it to match your website's theme, adjusting the size, color, and font to ensure consistency with the rest of your site. Cohesive design not only looks professional but also enhances user experience. Now, let's link your Instagram to these buttons. Most platforms provide a specific social media tab or a direct link option where you can simply enter your Instagram URL. If you're using a button element, click on it to access its settings. You should see a field where you can paste your Instagram profile link. Be sure to double check for any typing errors or stray spaces to ensure the link functions correctly. This is important because a broken link could lead to visitor frustration or loss of engagement opportunities. Test the button to confirm it redirects to your Instagram account seamlessly. Finally, with everything set up as intended, it's time to publish your changes. Look for the Publish button, which might also be labeled as Save and Publish or Update Site. By clicking it, you are making these additions live, meaning anyone visiting your site can now access your exciting new Instagram link. Before calling it a day, take a moment to preview your page. This allows you to experience your site as a visitor would, ensuring all buttons work and the page looks exactly as you envisioned. That's it! By following these steps, you've just made your website more dynamic and inviting, allowing visitors to engage with your Instagram profile easily. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.